Is your bank stuck in the past? Remember those clunky brick phones that barely fit in your pocket? Yeah, me neither. The world's gone digital, and let's be honest, traditional banks can feel about as outdated as those phones. So, what if your bank could be as sleek and convenient as your smartphone? Enter Tangerine, a fully online bank in Canada that's shaking things up. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Today, we're diving deep into Tangerine to see if it's the right fit for you. We'll crack open their digital vault and explore fees, features, and that all-important question, is your money safe with Tangerine? First things first, ditch the wallet. Tangerine is all about online and mobile banking. No branches here. Everything is done through their app or website, which some might find freeing, while others might miss the in-person touch. For the tech-savvy crowd, this is a dream. Their app is consistently rated as user-friendly, letting you transfer funds, pay bills, and track your spending with just a few taps. Plus, forget scrambling for an ATM. Tangerine reimburses everyday debit transactions fees at any Scotiabank ATM in Canada. That's a win-win for convenience and saving cash. Speaking of saving cash, Tangerine is known for its fee-friendly ways. There's no monthly account fee for their checking accounts, and they don't nickel and dime you for everyday transactions. Now, let's talk about the good stuff, interest rates. Tangerine consistently offers competitive rates on their savings accounts, including their popular Tangerine Savings account. Compared to the big banks, this can mean a significant difference in how much your money grows over time. But Tangerine isn't just about savings. They offer a variety of GICs, guaranteed investment certificates, with different terms and rates, allowing you to lock in your interest for a set period. They also have credit cards, mortgages, and even investment options. Alright, so far so good. But what about the potential downsides? As convenient as online banking is, it's not for everyone. If you crave face-to-face interaction or need a safety deposit box, Tangerine won't be your perfect match. There's also the question of security. With everything online, there's always a chance of cyber attacks. However, Tangerine takes security seriously, employing robust encryption and fraud prevention measures. Another point to consider, some users report slightly longer wait times for customer service when compared to traditional banks. Since there are no branches, everything gets handled through phone or online chat. Finally, Tangerine is primarily focused on the Canadian market. So, if you're outside the Great White North, you're out of luck. So, is Tangerine a good account? It depends. If you're a tech-savvy Canadian who prioritizes convenience, low fees, and competitive interest rates, Tangerine is definitely worth considering. But if you value in-person banking or need more complex financial services, a traditional bank might be a better fit. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to take a deep dive into Tangerine's offerings and compare them to your banking needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.